whenever we talk about the formats, now format is a concept, right? Remember this thing. We will be doing formatting in Excel for now. But if you will understand this thing, format is something that is used to change the appearance of the data.
Categorizing the data, I think.
Sorry?
To categorize the data.
No. To change the appearance of the data. How I want the data to look like in the output. For example, see this table that we have with us. I hope it is visible to everyone. Yes? So again, I have taken the same data that I've shown you here, a subset of it, of course, and this is how the data looks like now. Now tell me one thing, can I share this data with a client or with my boss? Guys?
No,
Guys,
we can't.
can you share this type of report with your clients?
Okay.
What are the possible, what are the different problems in this data or the way that we have presented this data?
So first of all, in the employee ID, we are getting an error. We should remove that.
Okay.
Other one, we can change the appearance of date of joining.
We have the dates. How many of you have seen the dates coming like this in the form of numbers?
I have seen.
What is the reason for this?
Because the format for this is journal rather than date
What is this
time.
number? What is this number?
Actually, data is stored in the binary. I say it binary form. It takes some decimal number, but we can change the format of date.
Okay, we will discuss this thing.
It is number of days, sir.
It is number of days. Yes.
1990.
Perfect. On 1st January 1990. I will talk about it. Yes. And first of all, let me talk about the very basic things. Here, these are all the numbers.
Yes, sir.
With different decimal places. Very difficult to read. Yes. So in the home tab, we have an option of numbers. So this is what we call as a number group. Under the number group, you can see a lot of options here for the formatting. Yes. If I click on this number, now by default, you will be able to see 2 decimal places for all the numbers along with other numbers. Yes. And then on top of it, we have the option here of more number formats. Here, when I click on this, you will see this window open up. And you can open up this window with a shortcut also. Control 1 is the shortcut. I've given this shortcut for you. Control +1, right? Make a selection of the data that you want to format. Control 1, you will see this window. Here? Guys, this thing is clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
And we can do all sort of formatting from here. And you can see starting from general till special, we have a lot of different formats, which are the inbuilt formats. And later they have given this option of custom, where we can write our own custom formats. Here?
Yes,
Here, everyone? So I will start from the very first one. For example, number formats. This is what we are able to see. 2 decimal places by default. If I want to see the commas also in between, I can also do this thing. Click on OK. Now you will see the numbers as a comma separators. Clear, everyone?
yes, sir.
Yes. On top of it, we can also show the numbers in the red color or with the brackets. Have you seen your financial reports, your banking statements?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Any of the banking sector, any of the financial statements, they will show always the negative numbers with the brackets. They will not show the numbers with a negative symbol. Clear?
Yes.
This is a convention that is followed in the complete FSI domain. Clear? So we can have an option to show the data differently in the different colors or with the different symbols and all those stuff. How we can do that, we will discuss that thing in detail in the custom window. Clear, everyone, on this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes, sir.
we have the default options they have given outside only. So this is very common operation that we want to see some more decimal places, some lesser decimal places, and we can control from here. Clear?
Yes.
All right.